To use Prizepicks Nba. Start by understanding the platform's core concept, which is a fantasy sports site where you can place over or under bets on individual player performances. The process begins with creating an account on the Prizepicks website or mobile app, where you will need to provide basic information and verify your age and location to comply with local regulations. Once your account is set up, navigate to the NBA section of the platform, where you will find a list of upcoming games and available players to choose from. Each player will have a set of projected statistics, such as points, rebounds, or assists, along with over or under options for each stat. Choose a player and a statistic you are interested in. Then decide whether you think the player will perform over or under the projected value. For example, if a player is projected to score 25 points and you think they will score more, you would choose the over option. If you think they will score less, you would choose the under option. After making your selection, you will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to wager. The potential payout will be displayed based on the amount you choose to wager. It is essential to manage your bankroll effectively and only wager amounts you can afford to lose. Prizepicks also offers a feature called Flex Plays, which allows you to combine multiple player props into a single entry, with the option to choose 2, 3, 4, or 5 players. The key to winning with Flex Plays is to find correlations between players and games, increasing your chances of winning. To maximize your chances of success, it is crucial to stay up to date with the latest NBA news, injuries, and trends. This information can help you make informed decisions when choosing which players to bet on. Additionally, set a budget and stick to it, as this will help you avoid chasing losses and making impulsive decisions. By following these steps and staying informed, you can effectively use Prizepicks Nba to enhance your sports viewing experience and potentially win prizes. Remember to always bet responsibly and within your means.